Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to choose a good MCQ book. I summarized that in 4 points: topic wise questions, solution of answers, no error or minimum error, and questions which are based on NCERT. I have seen how most of the students selected books in which book high amount of questions given. They often choose that book. If they are using one book, their friend working with another book, then they become confused which one to try. So choose one book in which topic was questions given. When teacher finishes the topic in class, you can easily practice questions above that topic. You don't have to work hard to find questions which are from this topic or that topic. Second one is solution of answers. Suppose you taken a book which has bunch of questions, but there is no explanation given about the answers. That means you fell into the trap. Teachers may answer all the questions given in the book, but most of the students feel shy to ask questions. So, you must have to know solution of each question you have practiced. No error or minimum error. If you are following a book having no error, it means your probability of getting wrong answer in exam is also minimum. Questions which are based on NCERT. Different types of books are available in the market. No doubt they are providing good questions, but there are some questions which are high level, which is not available in your syllabus. So ask your seniors, teacher, they will suggest you a good book. Next, choose a book according to your need. I am trying to say that if you have 2 years, then take the package of GRB. In GRB, per chapter, 300 to 400 questions are given. You can easily finish that book in 2 years. Suppose you passed the 11th class, now you are in 12th. Now you are also eligible to appear NEET. So you can take the package of MTG. In MTG, per chapter 100 to 150 questions are given. You can also try another books in which on an average 150 questions are given. You can easily finish that book in your timeline. So choose a book according to your need. For practice, per chapter 100 questions are enough. They will give you the idea in which manner questions are asked. Coaching classes notes and materials are enough to study the theory. Don't pick a book with vast theory. People also get that, but they are doing the wrong work. If you have much time, then utilize that time in practicing MCQ, because in the final level, MCQs give you the touch, give you the power to answer questions in exam. So finally, you only need 5 things: NCERT textbooks, your coaching classes notes, if you are self-preparing, a good book with point-to-point theory, a MCQ book with 100 to 150 MCQs per chapter, previous or question bank, and mock papers. Prepare a chart according to the weightage and questions coming in the exam. Give more emphasis to the topic where maximum questions are asked. People also do that, but there are some students who got panic. They are giving maximum time to the questions or the topic which is inessential, not that much essential. Minimum questions are asked, so don't waste your time in topic which are inessential. If you confused between work on your strong area or weak area, my suggestion is that first focus on your strong area, practice MCQs on that topic. Then if you have sufficient time, work on your weak area. If you first follows your weak area, if that not finished, then in exam you got panicked. So first stronger your strong area, then come to the weak area. If you also confused between which one to follow, your coaching material or standard book. Most of the students have different coaching materials from institutes and some books are there. If the institutes provide complete solution of that study material, then follow that. If that not providing, then follow the standardized book which will give you the complete solution of that questions. Practice test. Try to keep one mock in every week. Attaching with the exam will help you to be never afraid in the final exam. You can't build a great building on a weak foundation. You must have a solid foundation. If your concepts are clear, if you have been scoring good marks in mock test, then you will definitely do better in the final exam. If you are doing bad in the part test, you are pretending that you can score good in the final exam, then maybe you are wrong. For that, you have to keep up trying and have to give your 100% effort. For that, only solution is to write as much as mocks possible, only not attend exam for formalities. After giving exams, always try to find solution of each question. By giving different types of tests, weekly, monthly, quarter, you are solidified and never afraid to sit in the final exam. You can do better in the final exam. Next one is clear all your doubts. I have seen most of the students feel shy to ask questions. So clear doubts from teachers, parents, juniors. Don't feel shy to ask. Once your concepts become clear, you will definitely able to solve question on that topic. Don't miss any classes hoping that I know this concept, I may read this in my own, but later you will face problem. So attend all classes. They will teach you some concepts you don't know. Always know books will give you the final conclusive point, but teacher give you the whole explanation through which you will clear your concept. So don't miss any class. Final is that what we will provide. You know, internet is flooded with video lectures. They teach you how to strong your concept from the base. They teach you the whole chapter by doing different types of question. You know that all teachers are saying follow this book or that book, but they don't tell you follow how to follow a book. How much your concept are clear, but the real problem you are facing when you are solving question from books. But the problem with books are they are not providing the whole solution of each answer. They are giving solution of some selected answers. We will fill that void. We will provide you the detailed explanation of each and every question. By doing that, we will help students to master that book. In the next video, we will take one book and provide you the explanation of every question given in the exercise of the book. Here are some MCQ books are given. You can take any of the package MTG, Errorless, Cengage, GRB, Balaji, Pearson. You can choose any one of that.